In this video, we will look at Python's main collection types: lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. We'll start with simple examples, then use geographic context and examples to understand how they behave in practice. Before comparing collection types, let's clarify what a collection actually is. A collection is simply a container that holds multiple values in one variable. This is much easier to manage than creating a separate variable for each item. Real-world data almost always comes in groups. You rarely work with just one number or one word. You work with lists of values, sets of unique items, or mappings between names and attributes. Python provides several types of collections because different tasks require different behavior. To compare each collection type, we will use the same dataset: Helsinki, Berlin, Helsinki again, and Oslo. Lists use square brackets. They preserve order, allow duplicates, and you can modify them. We call this mutable. For example, a shopping list is mutable. You can add items and change quantities. For geographic data, because lists are ordered and can be changed, they are ideal for a driving route or an itinerary, where the sequence of stops matters and you might need to add a detour or reorder a city. Tuples also keep order and allow duplicates, but critically, they are immutable. Once created, they cannot be changed. A simple example is a date. The day, month, and year are fixed, one set. For geographic data, this makes tuples perfect for representing a specific location's coordinates, which should remain fixed and reliable, like a geocache point or a permanent survey marker. Sets use curly braces. They are unordered and they automatically remove duplicates. For geographic data, since sets only hold unique values, they are your tool for answering questions such as, what are all the distinct cities I visited? No need to filter the data manually. Dictionaries store key-value pairs. They map a unique identifier to its information. Think of it as a phone book. In a phone book, a name, the key, maps directly to a number, the value. For geographic data, this allows you to map a geographic name, the key, directly to its spatial attribute, the value, letting you look up location data instantly. This is the basis for geocoding. Each collection type has its own purpose, defined by three key characteristics. Lists are ordered and mutable, meaning they can be modified after creation. Tuples are ordered, but the key difference is they are immutable. They cannot be changed once created. Sets are unique because they automatically drop duplicates and are unordered. The dictionary is unique as it uses key-value mapping to store information. Choosing the right collection depends on what you need: order, immutability, uniqueness, or mapping. In practice, you often use several collection types together: a list for a dynamic route, a set for finding unique stops, a dictionary for looking up timing attributes, and tuples for fixed coordinate pairs. These are the core Python collection types and examples on how they are used when handling geographic data. Thanks for watching.